Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to refill your Straight Talk phone online quickly and easily. First, go to straighttalk.com. On the home page, hover over Refill and click Refill My Account. Next, enter your phone number, serial number, or IMEI for the line you want to refill. After that, choose your plan and payment method. You can pay manually or enroll in auto refill so your plan renews automatically each month. Once you've confirmed your payment, your Straight Talk service will be refilled instantly. And that's it. That's how to refill your Straight Talk phone online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.